Hi, everyone. This is Danny with Skin Harmonics, the very first Medi-Holistic skin resurfacing skincare line and method. And today I'm going to talk about winter skincare. Now, I don't sell any products that are specific for winter because it's more of a mindset. There's a lot of skincare companies that are always promoting different products that are specific to a season. And for me, that's a complete waste of resources, honestly, and I'll tell you why. So something that's really, really, really important, more important than what kind of season our skin is in, is how we're in tune with our own skin. We're paying attention to any inflammation. We're kind of in our own groove about when was the last time we exfoliated, so that we're not exfoliating too much or too little. We're finding our own natural rhythm and season, if you will. So I don't sell any products that are specific to a season. The main thing for winter skincare, spring skincare, summer skincare, something that's like 12 months out of the year, is that you're really tuned in. And that you've also really, really locked down your basics. And when it comes to basics, it's something that I'm saying all of the time, but it's minimal cleansing. It's using a hydrating mist. It's using a hydrating serum, getting with the right amount of dermal nutrients, and, getting really good barrier restoration. So if you're doing those things and kind of following your own needs in those areas, you're not going to need to reach for a special like winter product or special winter care for your skin, because those are things that our skin needs like all the time, 7 days a week, around the clock. So I've been getting a lot of questions about winter skincare, and every time the season changes, a lot of new clients will ask me about this because they're so used to being pitched in the past of like, oh, you got to have this exfoliator, you got to have this, you got to have that. And it's Skin Harmonics. It's more just like getting really, really, really high quality, clean, potent basics, and then not overusing them and not underusing them. This also reminds me about how, something else that's been coming up is that a lot of new clients are asking me, I need a morning cleanser. I need a nighttime cleanser. What's your morning moisturizer? What's your evening moisturizer? Morning and evening, versus each other. And the truth is that you can wear the moisturizer either with lightly or heavily, and you get to decide when you want your heavier application to be. Some people like it more in the morning to have a heavier moisturizer and less at night, or vice versa. The main thing is that you're using a really good barrier restoration cream, which all 5 of mine are, and that you're bending the amount that you like and that works for you. So there is no AM and PM moisturizer. And in that vein, there's also no AM and PM cleanser. Like, this is just another way that skincare companies are like trying to sell more product. The rule of thumb that we follow over here is that you're just never using a cleanser in the morning. Your skin isn't dirty. And at night, you're rarely using a cleanser. So much of makeup, oil, dirt, all of that, it comes off with water and steam like very easily. I've gone weeks without using a gentle cleanser. It's just not necessary. And so experiment with that. A lot of my new clients are pretty shocked to find that they're spending way too much money on a cleanser. It's just drying out their skin. So when it comes to seasonal skincare, just like tune it out. You don't need to buy specific products for a change of season. One of the main things about winter, and I know this because of all the different places I've worked at before, there's a big marketing call for procedures in the wintertime because it doesn't have the sun, that exposure. And, but they're going to find a way to market those procedures to you in the summertime and the spring, like year round. But there is this extra big push in the wintertime to have lasers, to do microneedling, microdermabrasion, chemical peels, all of that. And the truth is that you just have to stay away from those. You can get all of your increased cell turnover with dermal nutrients without having to traumatize your skin in any way to get, what they're going to tell you that those lasers are going to do. So I would say that the only difference in the winter with your skin is that there is no difference. You're going to continue minimal cleansing. You're going to continue exfoliating gently at night with an enzyme. You're going to use a gentle cleanser only when you feel like you really need to, occasionally in the evenings. You're definitely going to wear SPF. That might be something that some people think in the wintertime you don't have to wear an SPF, but the UVA rays are year round. And so that's something you should definitely continue. So just don't feel like you're missing out because I'm not selling some sort of like special like winter cleanser or moisturizer or something. This is a time to just really, really lock down your basics. And if you were to do anything, get on the schedule for a deep pore cleansing, because that's something that's going to affect texture in a really positive way. My sessions are less than once a year and go a really long way as far as getting ahead of sun cancer precursors and keeping texture really good. So I think that's about all I need to say about winter skincare. So yeah, you can just ignore any advertisings that you have coming in around that, because you've got something better. You've got, really good skincare with the basics that is so much better than any special product for the winter. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.